Top 4 tips to start trading cryptocurrencies. The world of cryptocurrency is like no other, and when you enter into the world, everything is different. If you're just starting with trading cryptocurrencies, you'll quickly begin to realize just how different things are. Here are some of the top tips to help you begin to trade in cryptocurrency so that you can avoid making some of the more common mistakes. Tip number 1. Don't diversify too quickly. When it comes to investing, you may have been told to never put all your eggs in one basket when it comes to your portfolio. However, in the world of cryptocurrency trading, it is possible to diversify your investments too much and too soon. The reason you want to be careful with diversifying is that the digital currency landscape is still new, and it's impossible to know which cryptocurrencies are legitimate. You need to do your research and choose widely distributed coins that have shown their longevity. Tip number 2. Don't spend a lot of time trading. If you are constantly trading, you can actually end up making less profit. Since the crypto markets are so active, you may think that you will miss what looks like a fantastic profit opportunity, but there will be 5 or 10 more down the line. Spending every waking moment watching the price fluctuations can be exhausting and can lead to mistakes. Tip number 3. Don't panic. The cryptocurrency scene is exceptionally volatile, which can create a ton of uncertainty for the novice trader. This can generate feelings of fear and panic, which is the worst emotional state you can be in when trading. Making decisions based on perceptions of panic can be disastrous, and you should never make decisions based on your alarm and fear. Tip number 4. Don't fall for scams. The natural inclination when investing in cryptocurrencies is to identify a new altcoin with the potential for growth, invest in it heavily when it's still inexpensive, and reap the rewards. However, because the industry is growing so quickly, it means that there are new currencies that might not be a good investment. Being cautious when it comes to investing in new cryptocurrencies will shield you from being involved in a scam, like the pump and dump schemes that are prevalent today. Trading in cryptocurrencies is exciting, exhilarating, and terrifying. To ensure that your trading career doesn't end before it can really get started, follow these tips and avoid the pitfalls of cryptocurrency trading.